alaikum. Welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I am going to show you how you can perform the sentiment analysis by using the Python library that is Flair, okay, on your textual data. So this is the all the code of performing the sentiment analysis by using the Flair, and this code is mentioned in video description link. You can just go to that specific link and copy and paste this code. So here I explain this code. First of all, you need to install and import the this libraries. That first is pandas and the second is Flair, and we from Flair dot models we import the text classifier, and from Flair dot data we import the sentence, and we make an object that is SIA, and here we pass the text classifier dot load, and that is English sentiment. Okay, so this is my textual data. Basically this is the CSV file. Okay, by using the panda, first of all I read the CSV file and save the result inside the data file. Okay, so this is my basically the CSV file and the whole data. Inside the text attribute we will perform the sentiment analysis on the text column. Okay, so this column that is text contains all the tweet data. Okay, so we will perform the sentiment analysis by using the Python Flair to one by one row or tweet. So let's go back to the code. So after this one, after importing the CSV file, now CSV file are inside my data file object, and here we made a new data file or column that is sentiment underscore Flair, and by using on the basically the text column, okay, inside my data file there is a text column. We will apply the basically sentiment analysis by using this function or method that is sentiment Flair. Okay, so through lambda, it means that one by one call this function on each tweet x, okay, and then we will perform anything and it will returns as positive, negative or neutral. We saved it inside a new column that is sentiment underscore Flair. So for example, first of all, when this code executed, then the first row, that is China, is highly concerned about this one. Okay, for this row, basically it pass this tweet x to the sentiment Flair method, and when we are inside, here we define the sentiment Flair method, and inside this sentiment Flair now x represent basically a tweet. Okay, first of all we pass this to the sentence, okay, and save the result inside the sentence, and through the that object we already created, that is the text classifier, and we pass it as an English sentiment. Okay, for this we predict that specific sentence, and we save the score by using the sentence dot labels and its first basically index. Okay, and we save the score inside the score. Okay, so if I here, if I print the score, okay, and exit basically the code here just for your understanding. If I execute this, when first tweet will be called, okay, first of all, on the first tweet this method it will pass, and when the code execution goes here, and it will print the score. Okay, so say let's check what will be the score. So the first tweet score is positive, so it classify it as a positive sentiment, and its score is 0.7195. Okay, so just remove this line, and here we just write a few conditions here, that if the positive is inside this code string score, then return positive. If negative, then return negative, and else return neutral, and saved inside this column. And we already after that we save this a new file, okay, to a new CSV file to the Flair, and the name is in the same location. The name is Flair underscore sentiment.csv file, and that file also create the sentiment Flair column as well. So this is how you can apply the sentiment analysis on your textual data by using the Flair Python library. So hope this video will help you a lot. This code is mentioned in video description as well. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can email me. Email is mentioned in video description, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.